Hey, what's up guys? We're about to get radical with a Mexican classic. So you're gonna wanna stick around for this one. It's an acorn squash molcajete. Woo! It Paleo. We're gonna start with 2 acorn squash, and I'm gonna cut these in half as best I can, right down the center. There we go. Then I'm gonna scoop these out, scoop the seeds out. For that, I just use a spoon. All right, the sharp, kind of the edge of a spoon is sharp enough to get in here, kind of scrape away the fibers and the seeds, stringy stuff. Next thing I'm gonna do is just grab some oil, give a little drizzle, olive oil on top, salt and pepper. I'm gonna throw these in the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes. While our squash is cooking, I'll just explain quickly what molcajete means. This is a mortar and pestle. In Spanish, molcajete is mortar and pestle. So what they'll do is they'll make a mixture, they'll put it in here, and then they'll bake that thing in an oven. Comes out bubbling and super hot and kind of dangerous. But we're just gonna make a mock one using our squash. That's why we're getting that par cooked. Now we're gonna make the mixture to go actually inside our little mortar, if you will. To do that, I've got a link of sausage here. I'll take out of the casing. Then I'm gonna break it up into little bits so that these cook at about the same time it takes to cook shrimp or scallop, okay? From there, I'm gonna add some tomato sauce. We'll say 1 cup. And then I have I got 8 shrimp and 8 scallops. We're gonna put 2 shrimp and 2 scallops in each half squash. These are wild shrimp. I pulled the muscle off the side of the scallops. Make sure to do that. And then always just check for the veins on your shrimp. I'm gonna smash 2 cloves of garlic. Run the knife through them, that in there. And then a couple sprigs of cilantro. Okay, to that we're gonna add maybe 2 teaspoons. This is straight California chili powder. And when you're doing chili powders, I recommend you get the pure chili powder, not the mixture of chili, cumin, salt, that type of stuff. It's looking like that. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. So there we have it, guys. There's our stuffing mixture. Here we are, 20 minutes in. They're about halfway cooked, partially soft. And now we're just gonna take our mixture here and divvy it out. Glove back on, we're going back in the oven for about 20 more minutes. Here we are, guys. We went 25 minutes, so 45 total minutes. Beautiful, look at that. So you're gonna expect it to kind of overflow. When you see the molcajete in the Mexican restaurant, a lot of times it's bubbling over and there's stuff crusting down the sides, and we got that same effect here. All right, so nice soft squash. All right, then to finish plating, kind of garnish it up, we're gonna go with some Massie mayo for the crema effect, a little sound effect in there too, and then a couple sprigs of cilantro. Okay, so there we are with our acorn squash molcajete. It's a little work to get it started, but after that it's pretty hands off. Get out there, give this one a try. Happy cooking, and we'll see you next week.